Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I thought it would be fun for you guys to spend a week with me in Japan, just traveling to a couple of cities. I'm going to Okinawa, Ishigaki and Fukuoka in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to film. As always, if you have any suggestions or any places that you recommend for me to visit while I'm in Japan, please let me know in the comment section below because that would be very helpful. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I'm in Okinawa, Japan. I'm just planning on having a really nice chill day. I'm actually going to upload one of my YouTube videos as well today. Going to get some Wi-Fi, do some shopping, retail therapy, you know the drill. Made it to American Village, as you can see right behind me. I'm dripping with sweat, as you can see. My Uber dropped me in the wrong spot, so I had to walk 10 minutes, and it is very hot. But now I'm gonna go into Starbucks, get a drink, a little snack, use their Wi-Fi, upload my YouTube video, and then I'm gonna go thrifting. So yeah, let's go in. I know these are literally for your hands, but I'm going to use it for my face because I am so sweaty. And I can feel my face burning already, literally only walking 10 minutes. I am very sensitive to the heat and just anything really in general to do with my skin. It's just very sensitive. I'm just going to sit here, try and upload my video. This is a dark mocha chip frappuccino. So it's like dark chocolate, chopped chips, coffee, mocha syrup, whipped cream, and pepper. Wait, that is so good. And cheesecake. I tried this for the first time in Singapore. At Universal Studios, funnily enough, and I remember it being so good, so I had to taste this. Oh my god. And usually I love my cheesecake really sweet, but this is so perfect. Not too sweet, not too rich. In the video I just uploaded, which was my Nagasaki day, I ate the cheesecake also at 10 AM. It's 11:30 now, but still same vibes. Let's go thrifting. just did my shopping. I definitely spent a lot more than I should have, but that's definitely going to be my last time buying clothes for this year because I need to calm the hell down. You head back to Starbucks now just to get a refresher and just relax for a bit, and then I'll probably be heading back very soon, but I'm very content with my day of doing some thrifting and shopping. I literally was in there for like 3 hours, which is crazy. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Wow. I know I haven't spoken much in this part of the vlog, but I just wanted to say we're heading back now. It was a bit of a pain to get to the beach, but I've just been reading my book, swam. It's very, very, very hot today. I would highly recommend coming to Ishigaki. It's really, really, really pretty and a beautiful place to visit. I'll see you guys so soon. I'm on my way to the cat cafe in Fukuoka. I know that the previous video is a Fukuoka vlog, but I'm here again today, and I thought I would add this to my week in Japan video. I'm thinking of just having a nice day, just going to the cat cafe, chilling there, getting some lunch somewhere local, honestly, just at a cafe or even McDonald's. Just made it to the cat cafe, getting myself a little iced coffee. I'm gonna download some YouTube on my iPad, play with the kitties for a bit, probably do some emailing, some work stuff. And that'll be about it, but I'll take you along with me. All that. They are all so cute. I can't. Went downstairs to get to the shady spot so I could just film this outro, but thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what a week in Japan kind of looks like, just traveling around. I absolutely love it here. Cannot wait to explore even more of Japan. Thanks again for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please do all the YouTube things, like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a lovely day or night, and be sure to watch all my other videos as well. Lots of love, everybody. Bye.